TL Travelers, and welcome back to the TL Traveler YouTube channel. For those of you who are new here, welcome to my channel and welcome to Thailand. And for those of you who are not new here, welcome back. Today we are moving from our spot in Old Town Chiang Mai out to the country. For those of you who have been watching this channel for a while, you know that I used to volunteer at this spot outside of Chiang Mai, and every time that I'm back I try and spend some days there visiting and all of that fun stuff. So I'm gonna go see my friends, have a good time at Joy's House Children's Shelter Foundation today. So yeah, let's go. Can I get the lychee rose Italian soda?
That Songtao driver just crushed that car. Hi, Sawadika.
So lunch was lovely. I just love coming back here. I love being here. You truly feel like family. Everyone that I see is like, welcome home, welcome back, and that's nice. I feel so bad. A couple of the girls were like, oh, come down and join us for lunch. So I went down to like join them for food, and I want to get my own food because I didn't want to eat their food, even though they were very sweet in offering. And like two, just like, or B, did I say A or B? Two, because I was in the hospital and I like was sick. I've been really careful about what I've been eating. So I was like, you know what, I'll just order my own meal. But I didn't realize when I was ordering that they were gonna have to be the ones that like went to go make it. So they like sat down with their food, and then I was like, oh, I'll have some yellow curry. And they were like, okay. And they like had to go make my food, and I just felt so bad about it. And I kept trying to tell them like, don't worry, I can wait. But I'm pretty sure that they thought I meant like wait and we'll all, the three of us, eat together. But I meant like, no, like you guys eat your food and then you can make my lunch. Like, don't leave your meal. But anyway, it was really nice, and it was just like nice to sit and chat. Just felt like old times, like volunteer days. So obviously I've been here before, but I will just give the quick room tour. Desk, bed, mini fridge, bathroom, and the traditional Thai Southeast Asian setup of the half shower, half bathroom, and like electric heater in the shower situation. So let's go and pick up these kids from school. So the plan now for the rest of the night is movie night. So we're just setting up the big screen right here, and this is where the magic will happen. Okay, so I am back at my room now. The day is done. I had just like so much fun this afternoon. I am really sorry if the footage was like all a jumble, but I was really just like enjoying spending time with the kids here. And like we had a movie night, which was really cute, and we watched Madagascar 3 in Thai with English subtitles, of course. And just like, the kids here, so cute. And there's a lot of new kids that have arrived since the last time that I was here and since I volunteered. So I was like getting to know a lot of the newer kids, and then like just being completely baffled. I don't know if I said this earlier, but like being completely baffled by the fact that there's kids here that like I knew or like I met for the first time when they were so small, and now they're graduating from university, and like it's crazy. But one of the things that I love the most about coming back here and spending time here is like just seeing people that I know, and like seeing people that, like seeing students of mine, or like, you know, from the short time, but like time that means a lot to me, that I volunteered here, and just, yeah, like catching up with old friends and like extended Thai family. So anyways, I won't bore you guys with all this jibber jabber. I am just going to call this day a day because the day is done. So if you've not already hit that subscribe button, definitely do it, because we post new travel content every Thursday and Sunday, and although our trip is coming to an end, it is not over yet, and excuse me. So yeah, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, all those fun things, and until my next video, stay great, travel safe, and I'll see you then. Bye.